Hello, in this next web native API video I want to show you WebShare API. At first I want to show you demo. You can check all open source code in description and in playground, but something happened. I just want to show you it before I wait for this. I did some fixes for you to show it better, this share. I just want to do Twitter share to show in demo. And why Vercel is not always good decision, just some remark. I try to, do update in Vercel, it's quiet. I like, what the fuck, why it's quiet? And if we check Vercel status, it's have major outage for like builds and deployments. All builds are currently stuck in quiet state. Our team is currently investigating this issue. November 11, 1904. Oh, it's now, time is changed. You saw this. It's changed in real time. Vercel team, I saw this. But okay, I will wait while I resolve this issue. And for you, I want to show you code then first, before demo. And after code, I will show you demo, cause code here is simple. Yeah, you see in index I add some SEO to show you share. But for us, we don't interested in this. It's a SEO. If you want, I can speak about SEO, how you can do it properly. But in our case, we interested in this path for use share and share demo. You see, it's two simple code components and hooks files like. And let's start with use share. In use share, we have error and shared. For error, we just check if it's like some error to share and show it in interface. And actually, interesting part for us, it's because not any people use React, so I'm not gonna concentrate on React parts here. In a summary, I will show how you can do it on Vue, Svelte, etc. So for us, interesting part, it's navigator share. Here we check if it's supported or not in our API. Let's actually check what about compatibility with browsers for navigator share. I guess it's fully compatible with every browser. Yeah, with every browser instead of Firefox. Let's check. In Firefox. Yeah, Web API not supported in Firefox. You see this thing is triggered, and here it's gonna work correctly. But I will show full demo when they fix this. Anyway. Yeah, it's work correctly now. And next. In navigator share, we just add this data that we get from use callback and set share. Yeah, you see, we just need this line of code to actually do share easy and native, because some people use libraries even for this, for you to understand. And then use share, we can use it like share and add some title here. It's our data. It's what we're gonna see in if we click here. We're gonna see here native share test. It's that gonna be here, but it's not gonna be actually in our post on Twitter or some other website. It's just for a share to show how it's gonna look. Yeah, I will show you how it's gonna look in Twitter. It's gonna look like in our SEO. And then we just share this and get data. If it's shared correctly, we get a state for like if it's shared. Set share true, and we show an interface if it's good, and otherwise it's error. We catch error and show this error. So it's easy. Easy code, easy way, easy wipe. Let's go. And let's. Oh, one of them was fixed, but I need to wait for the last one. That was outaged in a Vercel. So let's wait with you. Now Vercel finally fixed this, and we can actually try demo. We can click share this page, and now we're gonna see preview like in a good conditions. It should work for links, but for Twitter it's not gonna work, I guess, because I used same Twitter link here. You see, it's hosted by Twitter, and Twitter usually not show host to itself. Yeah, never mind, it's gonna work in some other places, so let's go with this. We now going to summary. I'm a bit tired. just some summary about any hook that I showed you before in the video. All open source code you can find in description in a GitHub repository that fully open source. And you can also find Playground here. In Playground you can create like add pull request with your own hook, or you can test my hooks that I already added here. It's fully native, you can use it in your projects. I also add filter, but it's just, you know, for some fun. And pay attention, one important thing, you need to enable experimental web platform features for some of the hooks. It's only for most advanced ones, but still in some videos I'm gonna show advanced API hooks, so pay attention that this in Chrome Flux in address, this experimental platform features it's enabled, and then it's all this Playground gonna work for you in a good way. And last thing that I want to discuss with you, all these hooks, it's React way, yeah? It's written on React, but if you want to use Vue or VanillaJS, Angular, Svelte, etc., how you can do it easily, I just want to show you. It's like some bonus. For example, let's take use clipboard. I don't know about what hook I'm gonna speak with this video, because it's summary video. For us, you can take every hook like this, like I showed you. Use clipboard, and you can open like Grok, for example, and in Grok we just can write prompt like you can just go to Vue, VanillaJS, Svelte, etc. Let me even write for Svelte just to show you, and you can just copy these hooks. In my case it's like I will copy it from GitHub, and clipboard demo I also gonna copy all this code for clipboard demo, and I also add this here in a Grok in my way, but you can use GPT, DeepSeek, whatever AI model you want. And here you can see that it just can easily convert this React way to another framework, even vanilla JavaScript. You see, because the most important one usually it's API itself. But if you don't want like to rewrite it yourself, you can just ask it like this. And you can see that in VanillaJS even it's created some use clipboard functions, like here it's named it in React use hooks way, in React community way. But in Vue, how you know, in a Vue 3 use hooks with this convention, like from React. Here we can see for vanilla JavaScript it's created for Vue in composition API. You can also ask in old version of API, not in composition one, but I recommend you use composition, of course, for now in Vue, because it's a modern one. And for example, in Svelte, even it's pay attention, it's not use clipboard, because in Svelte it's usually like functions, but still you see it's created some hook way function with subscribe set for writable. It's a Svelte store here, but in our case it's not matter, and still it's gonna have same logic that I show you in React. It's gonna just copy your clipboard in this way, and for all other hooks it's gonna work different, similar, sorry, not different. Anyway, let's go. With all these knowledges, you're gonna be good in a native web API. Yes, Uncle Ivan.